How to delete pin on Pinterest. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Pinterest application on your device and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen, and further you will see the option for pins. Tap on that and then go ahead and open the pin that you want to delete. Once open, tap on the three dots you see there and you will see the option for edit pin. Tap on it and then tap on the delete this pin option you see there, and when prompted tap on delete again, and with this, as you can see, the pin has been deleted. So this is how you can delete pin on Pinterest. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.